We'll get it out of there with a magnet.
I got a drop. I spilled a drop.
It's in the oil. We'll get it out with a magnet.
I know, but I spilled a drop. I was trying to catch it all. There's one little drop there. I don't even know if it's in there.
It's in there. I saw it.
I thought it did, but I don't know. I swished my hands around. It's pee-pee. If I make it through this without a drop on me, that'd be nice.
Stop. Stop.
What?
Stop.
I'm not gonna make it. Nope.
Don't let it splash in there. Hold it with one hand, unscrew it with the other. Don't let it fall. It's heavy.
It's not that heavy. It's a little toasty though.
Drop it in there. You're going to be wearing it, man. There you go.
Oh, that boy, it looks
The
nice.
rubber thing on it?
It looks nice. The
The-
rubber, yeah, the gasket thingy. You look good. You're still good. He's not compressed at all. Oh, Lord. Almost. I should have two things. Ah, fuck him. I had to wipe off my skin. The mosquito was biting me though. F those guys. Like so many mosquito bites you. I made a mess. It's purple. It's purple.
That's enough.
It's perfect. Is that enough?
Yeah.
And just shove it on there? No. And then I gotta find freaking green bean full. making a mess. I'm gonna get it on my clothes. Oh dear. Oh Lord. I don't know about this one. I don't know if I can line it up. My hands are so shaky. Oh fuck. That's not right.
You got it cross-threaded, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Don't drop it.
I mean, he's on there. You're way short, Chris. Ordered the right size thing. I can't. I don't know.
Bring it back over the table. Let's eyeball it. Something's not right.
He don't feel right.
Bring it back over here and we'll see if the hole's the same. Or line it up with this one right here.
You're missing line on that one. Let me see something. Is it just me? Am I
Yeah.
just stupid? Yeah, it might just be I'm stupid.
Yeah. You don't know,
Cause-
bad angle.
Yeah, I don't know. It's all good. It's slippy.
Different angle. It's supposed to go on really easy, man. Angle it different.
It's just, I don't know, it's not catching. Both the angles. I don't know. Oh, maybe. Oh, he's doing it. I got him. This is slippery. That needs to tighten. Finger up.
Going in easy.
Yeah. Alright. You dinky little thing. Let me wipe your butt. Oh, well, this is a bad angle, I suppose. That was it? Really?
I'll check that when we go.
That was it? That was all it was? I did do pretty tight hand tight. Okay. Alright. I suppose that's about it. And fill her up, I suppose? We fill her up? I don't have a phone. My nickname as a child was Messing Renee. Don't ask me why I was drunk when I did that. My middle name's Renee, so. My dad's drunk friends. Messy. Isn't it? Okay. Well,
I just said don't make a mess.
look, and I just said I'm gonna make a mess. I always make a mess. That's why I wasn't allowed to have white pants as a child. Or an adult, really. Remember I had that white tank top? Yeah, he's dead. Stains galore. That's what I'm like 3/4. Just mix 3 individuals. And so let's see 4.5. I don't think I'm gonna be able to see half of that. How? How are you supposed to read that? You've known me for like 35 years here. Like, that's one of my defining characteristics.
Go
is
slow. Slow.
messiness. I don't even know if I'm spelling at all.
You don't want to take your time.
Oh, they're on some. Mosquito bit me. And I had weird legs. I slapped it. And then I had blood anyway. It's not bad. He loved me. I even got bug spray on. He stuck it. Yeah, I made a mess. Told you I would.